So it's Sandeep Maheshwari versus Vivek Bindra. I mean, it's so surprising, so ironic, and for some people it might be funny as well that these two being motivational speakers and by far, two of the most renowned motivational speakers in the country. I mean, they are having differences, they are fighting amongst each other, and like we should not try to be judgmental here, because see, it's always wrong to be judgmental until you know either side of the story, until you have heard both the sides of the story. It's always wrong to be judgmental, and based on whatever we are hearing or reading, like, or watching on YouTube, the fan comments, the reactions of their fans, like Sandeep Maheshwari seems to be having the upper hand without a doubt, because like he's a highly respected individual among all the age groups and especially among the youth. That's the key factor. And people have already assumed that probably Vivek Bindra is into some kind of MLM business, which is multi-level marketing. So what he does is he just sells his product, and he like persuades or coaxes the youth into buying his product, and then they are trained to buy more, to bring in more customers. तो इस तरह से वो अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाते हैं, और इसलिए उनको एक मतलब इस तरह का बिजनेस को काफ़ी हद तक एक स्कैम भी माना जाता है हमारे देश में, बिकॉज लाइक देर आर वेरियस such businesses. I wouldn't like to name them here, but like MLM business is something which is quite popular among the youth. And if I say that thousands or even lakhs of youth have fallen prey to it, it wouldn't be wrong, because like thousands and lakhs of people have been scammed in the name of this MLM. So people are assuming that probably Vivek Bindra is into some kind of MLM, and that's why they are suspicious that probably he's also a scammer. Now, see, we should not be judgmental, as I said, until we have heard both the sides of the story. And just a few hours back, I got to know that he has even been accused by his wife of domestic violence. So it's clearly evident that these are not good times for him. But here's where the interesting point begins. Now let's try to find out who's going to win this battle, and let's try to predict through numerology. Now Vivek Bindra's date of birth is 5th April 1982, so his birth number is 5. His sun sign number is 9, because his sun sign is Aries, and his destiny number is 2. Whereas Sandeep Maheshwari's date of birth is 28 September 1980. Now this is the data that's available on Google. So his birth number is 1, his destiny number is also 1, and his sun sign number is 6, because his sun sign is Libra. And I would like to explain here quickly that the monumental success, the monumental fame, and the huge amount of respect that Sandeep Maheshwari has garnered in his life, that is because of this spectacular combination of his birth number and destiny number, because his birth number is 1 as well as his destiny number is also 1. So this is a very rare combination, and it's a fantastic combination. So this is what has helped him to achieve such monumental success, along with the fame and respect. Now who's going to win this battle? Now see, 2023 is about to end, and we are going into 2024, and 2024 adds up to 8. Now if we look at the birth numbers, which is the most crucial parameter, Vivek Bindra's birth number is 5, whereas Sandeep Maheshwari's birth number is 1. Now 5 and 8 is a fantastic combination, whereas 1 and 8 is a terrible combination. So on the basis of numbers, the prediction will be it's actually Vivek Bindra who's going to emerge victorious. Now he's going through a really terrible time currently. Like, he's been accused by Sandeep Maheshwari, he's being labelled as a scammer, he's been accused by his wife of domestic violence. But it's just like Australia lost the first 2 matches terribly, in the World Cup and then they came back and won the World Cup. Something similar, something equivalent is going to happen here. It's Vivek Bindra who's going to win this battle, because 2024, which adds up to 8, is very favorable for him because his birth number is 5, whereas it's not going to be good for Sandeep Maheshwari because his birth number is 1. 5 and 8 is a fantastic combination. 1 and 8 is not a good combination at all. So that is the prediction on the basis of numerology. I would request you all, don't be judgmental. Whoever wins this battle, don't judge out anyone. Both are monumentally successful, hugely popular, hugely respected. So, and both have definitely worked really hard to achieve whatever they have achieved or reach wherever they have reached. So let's not be judgmental, but on the basis of numerology, that is the prediction. That it's Vivek Bindra who's going to win this battle, because probably 2024 is going to play a key role in deciding the fate of this battle. And very soon we will see that he will just come back from the ashes and he's going to emerge victorious. So that was the prediction, that was the opinion, that was that were my thoughts on this ongoing controversy, on this ongoing battle between two of the greatest motivational speakers in the country. So in the next videos we'll talk on some other interesting topics as well. So stay tuned with us. Thanks a lot for watching.